Hey y'all, it's your girl Sasha E. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you all how I got my hair from straight back to curly. So I will be doing an intense protein treatment on my hair consistent of a half of a aloe vera leaf, 1.5 avocados, 1 egg, 5 tablespoons of olive oil, and 5 tablespoons of avocado oil. As you all know, I straightened my hair a few weeks ago and I miss my curls so much, you guys. I am so ready to see my curls bounce all the way back. So for this treatment, I used 1.5 avocados. So as you guys know, I love using avocados in my hair. My hair absolutely loves it. So avocados are extremely moisturizing and nourishing because they do contain natural oils and they are rich in vitamins and minerals to help my hair look healthy, shiny, and hydrated. Alright guys, so the next thing I'll be using is a half of a aloe vera leaf. So my hair responds really well to aloe vera, and I believe that aloe vera is the main reason why my hair has grown so much over the past year. So aloe vera is also great for strengthening and nourishing hair and scalp because of its high contents of vitamins and minerals. So as far as what I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna cut the aloe vera and just take a spoon and scrape out all that gel from the insides. That is where all the goodness is. So I just use a spoon, scrape it out, and put it into the container. So the next ingredient that I'll be using is 1 egg. Egg yolk in particular is filled with a ton of vitamins and minerals like vitamin A and E, biotin, and folate, which can promote hair growth, healthy hair, and moisture. So next I'll be adding 5 tablespoons of olive oil. Olive oil adds softness and strengthens my hair by penetrating the hair shaft and preserving moisture. Last but not least, I will be adding 5 tablespoons of avocado oil. Like olive oil, avocado oil penetrates the hair shaft and provides the hair with moisture and strength. So the consistency of this intense protein treatment was very thick and creamy. It had the consistency of a butter or a lotion. As you can see, it kind of melts right into my skin. Alright guys, so now it is time for me to apply the intense protein treatment to my hair. As you guys can see, my hair still looks pretty straight except for my roots. I did start back working out, yay me. So my roots have been quite sweaty and my roots did revert. But other than that, my hair stayed pretty straight. I even got caught in the rain, you guys, and my hair did not revert whatsoever. But yeah, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and put my hair in 4 sections so that I can work in sections while applying the protein treatment. Alright guys, so I am going to be drenching this section in water. Y'all, as y'all can see, the reversion process is taking some time with my hair. My hair is super low porosity and it takes a while for water to penetrate my hair shaft. So yeah, I'm starting off with some water first, and then I am just going to apply the product all over my hair.
You had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you wrote up on me, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're on completely different pages. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt. Right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Boy, you take me on a trip, always up and down and back and forth in merry-go-round. I just wanna get it right, but when you go left, I'm stuck here feeling left behind. Cause something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're going different directions. Let's go where we were, when no one gets hurt. Keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. If you love me just like you say you do, don't kill the...
Alright guys, so I am all done with applying the intense protein treatment. So I'm going to put a shower cap on my head and I'm actually going to sit underneath the hooded dryer for 30 minutes. I know someone's going to ask me about the egg cooking in my hair, but I've never had that experience ever. I've been doing treatments and applying egg to my hair since I was about 8. And I've never had that experience. So yeah, I did sit underneath the dryer for 30 minutes. And right now I'm just unraveling my hair just to show you guys that my hair has reverted. It still has to shrink a little bit more, but it is in the process of reversion. And I am going to follow up and wash it right after this.
Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you...
Alright guys, so I am back and I wanted to show you guys the products that I used in my hair after I rinsed out the protein treatment. So I followed up with a shampoo. So I used the Curl Mix Pure Aloe Vera shampoo. After using that, I went in with the Shea Moisture Yucca and Plantain Anti-Breakage Strengthening Mask. this one is done, y'all. Done. And as far as a leave-in and an oil, I went in with the Mayo Organics Pomegranate and Honey Leave-In Conditioner, and then I followed up with the Jacala Silky Hair Oil. And then as far as styling, I went in with the Lester's S Curl and Wave Gel Activator, also known as the Jerry Curl Juice. And then I followed up with the Eco Style Gold Gel. So yeah guys, that is what I used to achieve my wash and go. My hair is still pretty wet, so it's gonna shrink up a lot more. But yeah y'all, I miss my curls so much. Like having straight hair is great for like day 1, day 2, day 3, and after that I was so over it. I was like, I'm ready for my curls to come back. So I'm happy that my hair is back in its curly state. No heat damage, my curls look good, they're flourishing, all that good stuff. But yeah guys, that is it for today's video. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave those down below in the comment section. Also give your girl a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.